Good day! Kindly follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you! In this video, we will talk about the complementary and supplementary angles. So pag-usapan muna natin, ano nga ba ang complementary angles? Kapag sinabing complementary angles, these are two angles or two or more angles whose measures have a sum of 90 degrees. Or kapag pinag-plus daw natin ang sukat ng isa o higit pang angles, ang total nila is 90 degrees. So for example, we have this given complementary angles. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawang angles. The angle D. Okay, we have the given angles, angle DOV and angle VOE. Meron siyang iisang vertex, pero ang right angle na ito, na nagme-measure ng eksaktong 90 degrees, ay hinati sa dalawa, kaya nakabuo tayo ng dalawang angles. So, kailangan ang total ng measure nitong dalawang angle na ito ay total sa 90 degrees. So, if the measure of angle DOV is 45 degrees, the measure of angle VOE must be 45 degrees also. Kasi kailangan maging total nila is 90 degrees. So, angle DOV plus angle VOE is equal to 90 degrees. 45 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Pero paano kung nawawala yung measure ng isang angle? Doon na natin gagamitin yung formula wherein we will use the formula 90 degrees minus m. So we have this given example. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong given complementary angle. Paano malalaman na complementary ang angle? Ito ay kapag nag-form siya ng right angle or eksaktong 90 degrees. So pangalanan natin ang bawat points. We have two angles, angle MAT and angle TAH. Kung ang sukat ng angle TAH ay 28 degrees, nawawala yung sukat ng angle MAT. So, kailangan nating hanapin ang sukat ng MAT or angle MAT using this given equation. Angle MAT plus angle TAH is equal to 90 degrees. Paano naging equal sa 90 degrees? Since we are talking about complementary angle, kailangan po ang total ng dalawang angles ay 90 degrees. So, let us just bring down angle MAT since iyon yung hinahanap nating measure, plus 28 degrees na kung saan iyon yung sukat ng angle TAH equals 90 degrees. So, hanapin natin yung sukat ng angle MAT. So, let us transpose positive 28 degrees to the right side. So, magiging angle MAT is equal to 90 degrees minus 28 degrees. Tandaan na kapag magta-transpose tayo, magbabago yung sign simula left side papunta sa right side or vice versa. So, since ang sign dito ng 28 degrees is positive, so siya ay magiging negative. And then, i-minus natin siya sa 90 degrees, therefore, ang sukat ng angle MAT ay 62 degrees. So, paano natin malalaman kung tama yung ating sagot? Simple lang, i-add nyo lang yung given na angle doon sa nakuha nyong angle at kailangan ang total niya ay 90 degrees. Kapag hindi naging total na 90 degrees, ibig sabihin may mali sa iyong solution. So, 28 plus 62 degrees is 90 degrees. Therefore, tama yung ating sagot. Another example, let us name these angles as angle LVO and angle OVE. Palagi pong nasa gitna ang vertex. So, kung ang sukat ng OVE or angle OVE ay x degrees at ang sukat naman ng LVO ay x plus 4 degrees, ano yung sukat ng dalawang angles? So, kung mapapansin nyo, wala tayong eksaktong sukat. Parehong merong variable x yung dalawang angle. So, gamitin muna natin yung equation para malaman muna natin kung ano yung value ng x. Okay, we have the equation angle LOV plus angle OVE is equal to 90 degrees. So, isubstitute na natin Ang angle LVO ay merong measure na x plus 4 degrees at ang OVE naman ay x degrees equals to 90. So let us combine the like terms. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawang like terms since meron dyang parehong may variable x, iyon yung pagsasamahin natin. So, x plus x is equal to 2x degrees. Paano naging 2x degrees? Yung x, palagi po siyang may invisible 1 na coefficient dito. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, tinopya lang natin yung variable x. Kaya naging 2x degrees. And then, equals to 90. Yung positive 4 degrees ay tinranspose natin sa right side. Kaya naging negative 4 degrees. Bakit natin tinranspose? Ito ay para ma-solve natin or ma-compute natin yung combined like terms or yung like terms. Dahil hindi natin pwedeng i-add ang number sa may variable x. Kailangan x sa x, number sa number. So, naging 90 degrees minus 4 degrees. Okay, so let us bring down 2x degrees equals 90 degrees minus 4 degrees is 86 degrees. So, wala pa tayong value ng x. Kasi, meron pang numerical coefficient ang x dito which is 2. Paano natin mabubura o matatanggal ang 2 dito? So, we will apply the division property of equality. So, let us divide both sides by 2 para makancel natin yung 2 dito. So, ang matitira na lang ay x degrees. And then, i-divide natin yung 86 sa 2. So, ang value ng x is 43 degrees. So, since ang unang angle natin ay angle OVE at ito ay nire-represent ng x degrees, ang measure nito ay 43 degrees. Para naman mahanap natin ang measure ng angle x plus 4 degrees, isa-substitute lang natin yung nakuha nating x which is 43 doon sa x dito and then 43 plus 4. So, magiging ganito yung solution, 43 plus 4 and the answer is 47 degrees. So, ito ay nagme-measure ng 47 degrees at ito naman ay 43. And 43 plus 47 is equal to 90. Another example, let us name these given angles. So, we have the angle DOW and angle WON. So, kung ang WON ay x degrees at ang DOW ay x over 9 degrees, hanapin muna natin ang value ng x. So, we have this given equation. Let us substitute the given. Angle DOW ay merong x over 9 degrees. At ang angle WON naman ay may angle x degrees equals 90. So, question, paano yan? Merong fraction. So, paano natin tatanggalin yung denominator dito? Or paano natin gagawing whole numbers lahat yan? At walang denominator. So, we will apply the multiplication property of equality. Ibig sabihin, kapag may minultiply tayo dito sa left side ng equal sign, kailangan imumultiply din natin siya dito sa right side ng equal sign. Iyon yung multiplication property of equality. So, ano yung imumultiply natin? Iyon yung denominator para makancel o mawala yung denominator dito. So, let us multiply the whole equation or the left side and the right side of the equation by 9 para mawala or makancel yung 9 sa denominator ng x. So, imumultiply natin ang 9 sa x over 9, 9 times x, at ganun din 9 times 90. Kasi we are talking about the equality. Okay, so kapag magmumultiply tayo ng whole number sa fraction, imumultiply po natin yung whole number na ito sa numerator and then kokopyahin lang ang denominator. So, 9 times x is 9x. Pagtatabihin lang ang 9 at x dahil hindi pwedeng masolve ang letter sa number. So, 9x over 9. Or, i-divide natin, 9 divided by 9 is 1. So, ang matitira na lang ay x degrees. And then, 9 times positive x degrees is positive 9x degrees. And then, 90 degrees multiplied by 9 is 810 degrees. Because 9 times 9 is 81 and then ilagdag nyo lang yung 0, so that is 810 degrees. Okay, next. Wala tayong kailangan i-transpose dahil pareho silang may variable x, so dito pa rin sila sa left side ng equal sign. 1, invisible 1 ang coefficient dito ng x, so 1 plus 9 is 10x degrees. equals 810 degrees. Again, paano natin makakancel yung 10 dito? We will divide both sides by 10. So, makakancel na ang 10. Ang natira na lang ang x, and then x equals 81 degrees. Paano naging 81 degrees? 810 divided by 10 is 81. Okay, so meron na tayong measure ng isang angle which is 81 degrees. Paano natin mahanap ang measure ng x over 9 degrees? Simple lang, we will substitute 81 doon sa numerator. So magiging x over 9 degrees ay equal sa 81 over 9 degrees. And then i-divide ang 81 sa 9, therefore the answer is 9 degrees. So kung ito ay 9 degrees at ito naman ay 81 degrees, meaning 81 plus 9 is 90 degrees. Another example, we have the given angles. We have angles TAB, angle BAL, and angle LAE. So kung mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong tatlong angles sa loob ng complementary angle na ito, or right angle. So let us have the angle TAB as x plus 3 degrees, BAL is x minus 1, and LAE is x plus 1. So let us equate these three angles in 90 degrees. Kailangan ng total ng tatlong angles na ito ay equal pa rin sa 90, which is a right angle. So let us now substitute the given equation. Angle TAB x plus 3 plus x minus 1 plus x plus 1 equals 90. So, paano yan? Napakahaba naman ang solution. So, paano natin malalaman kung ano yung pagsasama-samahin natin? So, we have to combine like terms. Kapag sinabing like terms, kung ano yung may mga variable x, iyon yung ating isosolve. Kung ano yung mga numbers lang, iyon din yung ating magkakasamang isosolve. So, we will solve x degrees, positive x degrees, and also positive x degrees. Kapag walang number na katabi ang variable x, meaning ang coefficient niya or numerical coefficient niya is 1. So, 1 plus 1 plus 1. And then, ang isosolve naman natin na magkakasama ay positive 3 degrees, negative 1 degrees, and positive 1 degrees. So, iyon ay magiging 3 minus 1 plus 1. So, dun muna tayo sa may variable x. X plus x is positive 3x because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. And then, kopyahin yung variable x. And then, dun naman tayo sa constant. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Kaya meron tayong positive 3 equals to 90 degrees. Hindi natin pwedeng i-add ang 3 sa 3x dahil hindi sila magkatulad na may variable x. So, kailangan nating i-transpose ang positive 3 na ito sa right side ng equation, kaya magiging 3x degrees equals 90 degrees minus 3. Kapag nagta-transpose tayo, kung nandito ay positive, pag transpose, that is negative. Kung ito naman ay negative, magiging positive. So, let us subtract 90 degrees minus 3 degrees is 87 degrees. And then, paano natin makakancel yung 3? Apply DPE or divide both sides by 3. So, the answer or the value of x is 29 degrees. Pero dito sa ating tatlong angles, walang nakalagay na x degrees. May kasama siya. It's either positive 3 or plus 3, minus 1 at plus 1. So, yung variable x o yung value ng x na nakuha natin, which is 29 degrees, ay isosolve natin or isosubstitute natin sa bawat angle para makuha natin yung measure. So, dun muna tayo sa angle TAB. X plus 3 ay naging 29 degrees plus 3. So, i-add lang 29 degrees plus 3 is 32 degrees. Next, x minus 1 ay naging 29 minus 1. So, the answer is 28 degrees. And the last, x plus 1 ay naging 29 plus 1 and the measure is 30 degrees. And then, paano natin malalaman kung total ng 90 o tama yung sagot? 32 plus 28 plus 30 is equal to 90 degrees. So, dito naman tayo sa supplementary angles. Kung ang complementary angles, ang angle dapat na nasa loob ng complementary angles ay may total na 90 degrees, ano naman ang total ng supplementary angles? These are two angles or two or more angles whose measures have a sum of 180 degrees. So, ito yung halimbawa ng supplementary angle. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong dalawang angle. So, pangalanan natin yung angles. So, ang vertex niya ay ito, which is the point E, dahil dito nag-intersect ang tatlong rays. So, we have angle MEA at angle AEL. Or pwede naman baligtad, angle LEA at angle AEM. Okay, so ang sukat ng angle MEA ay 120 degrees at ang sukat naman ng angle AEL is 60 degrees. Paano natin malalaman na supplementary angle kapag ang total nila ay 180 degrees? At, simple lang, kapag 180 degrees, nag-form siya ng straight line. So, we have the given equation angle MEA plus angle AEL equals 180 degrees. 120 degrees plus 60 degrees is 180 degrees. Or, kapag nawawala yung sukat or yung measure ng isang angle, we will use the given formula, 180 degrees minus n. Okay, so let us now have this given example. We have the given angles, angle LUC and angle CUK. So, ang angle LUC ay may measure na 91 degrees at nawawala ang measure ng isa pang angle. Let us use this given equation. Angle LUC plus angle CUK equals 180 degrees. Again, kapag po supplementary angle, kailangan po ang measure nila ay 180 degrees in total. So, let us substitute angle LUC as 91 degrees plus angle CUK equals 180 degrees. Para mahanap natin ang measure ng angle CUK, we have to combine like terms. So, kailangan kasama ng positive 91 ang 180. So, we have to transpose positive 91 to the right side of the equation. So, ito ay magiging negative. So, let us just subtract 180 degrees sa 91 degrees. Therefore, ang measure ng nawawalang angle CUK is 89 degrees. So, kapag inad natin 91 plus 89, the total is 180 degrees. Another example, we have the given angles. So, we have angles SVA and angle AVE. So, let us use this given. So, kung ang measure ng angle AVE ay x degrees at ang SVA naman ay 3x plus 12 degrees, kailangan nating mahanap muna yung value ng x. So, let us use this given equation. Angle SAV plus angle AVE is equal to 180 degrees. So, let us substitute the given equation. So, ang angle SAV ay naging 3x plus 12 degrees at ang AVE naman ay x degrees equals sa 180 degrees. So, paano natin yan isosolve? Let us combine like terms. Since ang 3x ay x at x ay parehong may variable x, ang x dito ay may numerical coefficient na 1, so i-add lang natin yung numerical coefficient at kokopyahin natin yung variable x. And then, yung positive 12 degrees, since wala siyang variable x, isasama natin siya doon sa 180 degrees sa right side. So, since liliban siya, or tatawid siya doon sa kabilang side ng equation, ang positive 12 ay magiging negative. So, this will become 4x degrees equals 180 degrees minus 12 degrees. And then, isubtract lang natin ang 180 sa 12, kaya naging 168 degrees. So, paano natin ika-cancel ang 4 sa tabi ng x? We will divide both sides by 4. So, since we are talking about the equation, kung ano yung ginawa sa left, ganun din yung gagawin sa right. So, kung dinivide natin sa 4 ang 4x degrees, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa 168 degrees. So, makakancel na dito yung 4, ang matitira na lang ay x. And then, i-divide natin ang 168 sa 4. Therefore, ang value ng x is 42 degrees at iyon na yung measure ng angle AVE. Paano naman natin mahahanap yung measure ng angle SVA? Isa-substitute natin yung 42 doon sa variable x. Pero hindi siya magiging 342. Hindi porket magkatabi ang 3 dito at x ay pagtatabihin lang natin yung 3 at 42. Ibig sabihin ng magkatabing constant at variable, that is multiplication. So, imumultiply natin ang 3 sa x or imumultiply natin ang 3 sa 42. Ito ay magiging 3 times 42 degrees plus 12. And then, uunahin nating i-multiply ang 3 sa 42. So, 3 times 42 is 126 degrees. Plus 12 is 138 degrees. So, ito na yung sukat ng angle SAV. And then, 42 plus 138 is 180 degrees. Another example, we have the given angles. So, we have angle CAK and angle KAE. Ang sukat ng KAE is x degrees at ang CAK naman is x over 2 degrees. So, naging fraction ulit. So, let us use this given equation. Substitute the given. So, yung angle CAK ay x over 2 degrees at ang angle KAE naman is x degrees. Paano yan? May fraction ulit. So, ang gagawin natin is, o ang goal natin ay matanggal ang denominator dito, which is 2. So, paano natin yung aalisin? Hindi natin siya pwedeng burahin lang. Kailangan meron tayong solution or proper solving. Paano natin makakancel yung 2 as denominator? So, again, i-apply natin ang multiplication property of equality. So, imumultiply natin ang buong equation o yung terms na nasa left side at right side sa iisang number lang. Kung ano yung minultiply sa left, ganun din dapat sa right. So, anong number yung imumultiply natin? So, para makancel natin yung denominator na 2, kailangan natin i-multiply ang buong equation sa 2. Para makancel yung 2 as denominator because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, ang matitira na lang ay x. Okay. 2 times x over 2 is x squared. Makakancel lang yung 2 dito, kaya naging x. And then 2 times positive x squared is positive 2x squared. Tinabi lang natin yung 2 sa x. And then 180 degrees times 2 is 360 degrees. Next is to combine like terms. Since pareho silang may variable x, we will add 1 sa 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3x squared. 3x degrees equals 360 degrees. Again, i-cancel natin yung 3 by using the division property of equality. So divide both sides by 3. Ang matitira na lang dyan ay x. So 360 degrees divided by 3 is 120 degrees. So, yung 120 degrees, yun na yung measure ng isang angle. So, paano natin malalaman ang measure ng isa pang angle? So, isa-substitute natin yung 120 sa x, kaya magiging 120 degrees over or divided by 2 is 60 degrees. So, ang sukat nito ay 60 degrees at ito naman ay 120. Kapag pinag-plus sila, ang total is 180 degrees. Last example for the supplementary angle. So, we have the given angles. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong tatlong angles. Ang angle SHA, angle AHP, at angle PHE. So, let us have this given measures 5x plus 4, x minus 2, and 3x plus 7. So, kung mapapansin nyo, lahat sila may variable x. So, kailangan muna nating hanapin ang value ng x. So, let's have this given formula. Palagi pong equal sa 180 since we are talking about the supplementary angle. And then, substitute. So, i-combine like terms natin, lahat ng may variable x ay kailangan nating isolve at lahat ng constant o yung number lang, kailangan din nating pagsamasamahin isolve. So, dun muna tayo sa may variable x. 5x plus x plus 3x. Again, kapag x lang, automatic iyon po ay may 1 dito. So, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Kaya magiging 9x degrees. And then, yung constant naman, paano naging positive 9 degrees? 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 plus 7 is positive 9 degrees. Pero, hindi natin pwedeng i-add ang 9 sa 9x dahil ito ay may variable. So, kailangan natin i-transpose ang positive 9 sa right side, kaya ito ay magiging negative 9 degrees. And then, ima-minus natin iyon sa 180, kaya magiging 171 degrees. And then, divide both sides by 9. So the value of x is 19 degrees because 171 divided by 9 is 19 degrees. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, lahat dito ng x ay may kasamang constant or numbers. So hindi ito yung ating final answer. Kailangan nating mahanap ang measure ng tatlong angles by substituting 19 doon sa variable x. Again, kapag magkatabi ang letter at number, that is multiplication. So, doon muna tayo sa unang angle. 5 times x plus 4 or 5 times 19 since iyon yung nakuha nating value ng x plus 4. 5 times 19 plus 4, that is 99 degrees. Because 5 times 19 is 95 plus 4 is 99. Dito naman tayo sa pangalawang angle, x minus 2. So, magiging 19 minus 2. The answer is 17 degrees. And the last is this one. 3 times 19 plus 7. 3 times 19 plus 7 is 64. And then, 99 plus 17 plus 64 is equal to 180 degrees. Paano naman kung ang complementary angles at supplementary angles ay nasa form ng word problems? So let's have the given example. First example, two angles are complementary. If one of the angles is double the other angle, find the two angles. So kailangan nating masagutan ng tama ang word problem using analyzing or by analyzing the given word problem. So kapag hindi natin na-analyze ng tama ang word problem, mali yung makukuha nating sagot mamaya. So isa-isahin natin yung sentence sa given situation. So sabi dyan, two angles are complementary. So meron na tayong clue. Ang dalawang angles daw ay complementary. Ibig sabihin, kapag sinabing complementary, ang total dapat ng dalawang angle ay 90 degrees. Kung ang isang angle daw ay doble ng isa pang angle, hanapin natin yung measure ng dalawang angle. So let's have the solution. Let x is equal to one of the angles. So i-represent natin yung isang angle as x. And then sabi dyan, yung isa daw angle ay doble ng unang angle. So kapag sinabing doble, that is number 2. So let us represent the other angle or yung pangalawang angle as 2x. Again, yung x natin, iyon yung unang angle. And doble daw ito ng unang angle, so kaya naging 2x. And then, meron na tayong clue, complementary daw. So kailangan, ang total ng dalawang angles na ito ay 90 degrees. So magkaroon na tayo ng solution. X plus 2x equals 90 degrees. Bakit natin inad? Kasi sabi dyan, the two angles are complementary. So, i-add natin yung dalawang terms. Ang total dapat nila ay 90 degrees. Again, walang katabi na numerical coefficient ang x dito, automatic, that is 1. So, 1x or x plus 2x is 3x equals 90 degrees. So, divide both sides by 3 para makancel natin yung numerical coefficient ng x. Therefore, the value of x is 30 degrees. At yung 30 degrees, iyon na yung sagot natin sa isang angle. So, paano natin malalaman yung measure ng isa pang angle? So, we will just substitute the value of x, which is 30, doon sa 2x. Kaya magiging 2x equals 2 times 30 degrees. And the answer is 60 degrees. Second example, two angles are complementary. One angle is 28 larger than the other. Find the measures of both angles. So sabi dyan, ang dalawang angles daw ay complementary. Ibig sabihin, ang total nila ay 90 degrees. Ang isang angle daw ay 28 larger than the other. Mas malaki ng 28 degrees doon sa unang angle. Okay, so let us have this given solution. Let x be one of the angles. And then yung pangalawa natin, sabi dyan, mas malaki ng 28 degrees. So, ito ay magiging x plus 28 degrees, which represent the other angle. X plus 28 because 28 larger than the other. So, we will use the symbol plus. So, let us equate these two equations in o two terms in 90 degrees, and then combine like terms, x plus x is 2x, equals 90 degrees minus 28 degrees. Yung positive 28 degrees, hindi siya pwedeng i-add sa dalawang x dahil wala siyang variable. So, isama natin siya doon sa 90 degrees, and then since nag-transpose tayo, ang positive ay magiging negative. So, let us first subtract 90 minus 28 is 62 degrees. And then, tsaka natin ika-cancel yung 2 dito by dividing both sides by 2. Therefore, ang value ng x is 31 degrees. At ang 31 degrees, iyon yung measure ng isang angle. Paano natin mahahanap yung pangalawang angle? We will substitute 31 dun sa variable x plus 28. So, 31 plus 28 is 59 degrees. And 59 plus 31 is 90 degrees. Third example, two angles are supplementary. If one angle is 3 times the sum of other angle and 4, find the two angles. So, ang clue is supplementary, so dapat ang total nila ay 180 degrees. So, let's have the solution. Let x is one of the angles, and then yung pangalawang angle ay nirepresent natin as 3 times x plus 4. Paano naging ganyan yung pangalawang angle? Or yung isang angle. Kasi sabi sa ating word problem, if one angle is 3 times the sum of other angle and 4. So, ang isang angle daw ay 3 beses ng sum. So, ibig sabihin, hahanapin muna natin yung sum ng x or other angle at 4. Kaya naging x plus 4, and then, since 3 times ang nakalagay, so 3 times yung sum. Okay, so let us now have this one. So, we have x plus 3 times x plus 4 equals 180 degrees. Hindi natin pwedeng i-add ang x sa x dahil nasa loob sila ng parenthesis ng positive 4. So, let us first apply the distributive property. Ano yung distributive property? I-multiply natin yung 3, katulad nito, doon sa x at sa positive 4. So, 3 times x at 3 times 4. Kaya magiging, i-bring down natin yung unang x, and then 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 4 is positive 12, equals 180 degrees. And then, tsaka na natin isa-solve yung parehong may variable x, so x plus 3x is 4x, equals 180 degrees minus 12. Kasi kapag tinranspose natin yung positive 12, magiging negative. And then solve, 180 minus 12 is 168 degrees. Divide both sides by 4. So the value of x is 42 degrees because 168 divided by 4 is 42. Okay, so meron na tayong value ng unang angle. Hanapin na natin yung pangalawang angle or value ng pangalawang angle. I-substitute natin yung 42 doon sa variable x. Kaya magiging 3 times x plus 4, 3 times 42 degrees plus 4. Question, ano yung una nating isosolve? Kailangan nating sundin palagi ang PEMDAS na kung saan yung P nagre-represent sa parenthesis. Or, kung ano yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, iyon yung una nating isosolve. Hindi natin pwedeng i-multiply agad ang 3 sa 42. Kailangan, i-add muna natin ang 42 sa 4. So, magiging 3 times 46 degrees. And then, tsaka natin i-multiply ang 46 sa 3. So, ang value ng pangalawang angle ay 138 degrees. Last example for the supplementary. So, two angles are supplementary if one angle is 36 degrees less than twice of the other angle. Find the two angles. So, let's have the solution. Let x be one of the angles. So, yung pangalawang angle ay naging 2x minus 36 degrees. So, paano naging 2x minus 36 degrees? Kasi sabi dyan, 36 less than. So, yung less than ay nagrepresent or nirepresent natin using the minus sign. Less than twice of the other angle. Kapag twice, ibig sabihin dalawang beses. So, ito twice natin yung x. Kaya naging 2x minus 36. So, question, bakit nauna sa problem yung 36 kaysa sa twice? Pero pagdating sa ating terms, nauna yung 2x sa negative 36 or sa minus 36. Ito ay dahil sa rule ng algebra, kailangan po palagi mauuna yung may variable x And then, palagi po nasa dulo ang constant, kaya naging 2x minus 36. So let us now equate these two terms into 180 degrees since sabi dyan ang two angles daw ay supplementary. So let us combine like terms. X plus 2x is 3x. I-transpose natin yung negative 36, kaya magiging positive 36. So we add na natin 180 plus 36 is 216. Divide both sides by 3 para makuha natin yung value ng x. So the value of x is 72 degrees because 216 divided by 3 is 72 degrees. So ito na yung value ng una nating angle. Hanapin na natin ang value ng pangalawang angle by substituting 72 doon sa variable x. So 2x minus 32 degrees. So magiging 2 times 72 degrees minus 36 degrees. So sabi kanina or kaninang example natin o yung pangatlo nating example, nauna nating isolve yung nasa loob ng parenthesis tapos sinundan natin yung nasa labas. So dito wala tayong nakikitang parenthesis, so automatic i-multiply muna natin yung 2 sa 72 and then yung makukuha nating sagot tsaka natin i-minus sa 36. So magiging 144 degrees minus 36 degrees. And the value of the other angle is 108 degrees. 108 plus 72 has the total of 180. So let us now summarize what we have learned about the complementary and supplementary angles. When we said complementary angles, these are two angles or two or more angles whose measures have a sum of 90 degrees. Kapag naman sinabing supplementary angles, these are two or more angles whose measures have a sum of 180 degrees. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. Enjoy learning mathematics. God bless us all!